This is the story of Ram and Ravan. Thousands of years ago, there was a wise king named Dashrath who ruled the city of Ayodhya.
I have everything. A king could wish for riches, a strong kingdom, and loving queens. But still I am unhappy, as my heart and soul longs for a child, a son who will carry my legacy of Ayodhya.
Time passed, and soon all the three queens gave birth to four princes. The eldest son, Ram, married Sita. Sita, known for her purity and virtue, strength and courage, above all, self-sacrifice. Entire Ayodhya was filled with joy and happiness, welcoming Lord Ram and Sita in Ayodhya.
I have decided to crown Ram as the next.
Things took a dark turn. Queen Kaikai, influenced by her maid Manthara, was not happy by the king's decision.
If Ram becomes the next king, your son Bharat will be nothing. Use the two boons that the king promised you long ago. Yes, you are right. I must act now. O king, you promise me that you will fulfill my wish. Said Ram to the forest for 14 years and crowned Bharat as king.
What are you saying, Kaikai? How can I send my son to the forest for 14 years? Ram is my soul and my pride. I love him. I can't stay without him.
Dashrath was very sad. On hearing this, Ram came forward and obeyed his father.
Promise is the promise, Father. I will go to the forest for 14 years. I am set with you.
What faith is this? How can I live without you, Ram? I lost everything today. I lost my Ram.
I will come along with you and serve you.
And they all leave for forest.
Wow, what a wonderful place! Yes. There are many trees, birds, animals, and plants.
They all started living together. One day, Ram was meditating. Sita was doing a household work. Lakshman was busy doing some other work. Suddenly, Shurpanakha, who was the sister of the king of demon, Ravan, and king of Lanka, Shurpanakha saw Ram. Oh, what a handsome prince! Oh, what a handsome prince! Oh, what a handsome
the prince. I want to marry you. Sorry, I'm already married to Sita. You can ask Lakshman.
Shurpanakha goes to Lakshman.
Oh, will you marry me? I am sorry and promise never to get married.
Shurpanakha gets angry and says,
This is all because of Sita. I will eat her up.
she ran towards Sita to eat her up. Towards Sita to eat her up. Lakshman stops Shurpanakha by cutting off her nose. Shurpanakha runs to Ravan, who is the king of demons and Lanka.
Brother, please take revenge of me. Lakshman has cut my nose.
Don't worry, sister. I will take your revenge. I need your help to kidnap Sita.
Yes, I will help you.
Takes a form of a golden deer and roams around the hut. Sita sees the deer. She tells Ram and Lakshman,
I want that deer. Please
says to Lakshman to take care of Sita, and Ram goes to find the deer.
Ram! Ram!
Sita asks Lakshman to go and help Ram because he is in trouble.
No, Tita Maya. I love you, Lord. Please, Lord Lakshman.
Okay, Sita Maya, but you have to promise me that you will not cross this rekha unless we return back. Ravan takes the form of Brahman to reach out to Sita as per his plan to kidnap her. Sita is in confusion. What to do? Should she cross the rekha and give food to Brahman? Or should she keep the promise given to Brahman? Sita crosses the rekha and gives food to the Brahman. Suddenly, Brahman turns into Ravan. Ravan kidnaps Sita in his Pushpa Viman. Sita screams.
Help me! Help!
Ram and Lakshman return to the hut and searches for Sita. They find her missing. Ram senses that something is wrong.
रघुनंदन रघुरभिनंदन रघुवर सेवन रघुपति छायन सतयो
Come on, I need your help. Sita is missing. Need to find her. I will help you find Sita.
Hanuman started searching Sita and reached Lanka. There he found Sita in Ashok Vatika.
I promise you
returned to Ram and shared the whereabouts of Sita. Hanuman, along with Vanar started to build a bridge named Setu. The stone floated on water and soon a bridge was built. Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman and Vanar crossed the bridge and reached Lanka. Killed Ravan with an arrow. End of Ravan. Sita and Lakshman returned to Ayodhya.